This compact quadcopter pairs a stable airframe with a 1080p high-definition camera, giving casual pilots surprisingly clear aerial photos and live video through the companion application. Controls are intentionally simplified with one-button takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and headless orientation, so new flyers can focus on enjoying the flight instead of fighting the sticks. Two modular, rechargeable batteries extend total airtime well past what many toy drones manage, allowing longer practice sessions and fewer breaks for charging. Waypoint flight, gravity sensing control, and voice commands add playful ways to steer the drone, which makes it feel more like an interactive gadget than a basic, remote-controlled toy. Built-in tricks like one-touch flips and smooth rolls work reliably when there is enough altitude, letting beginners pull off aerobatic moves without advanced piloting skills. Propeller guards, emergency stop, and low-power alerts contribute to a safer learning experience, especially when younger users are flying indoors or in tighter outdoor spaces.